Okay, so now we have our projection camera and we want to make a animated camera. So what you want to do is Control D that camera, and then now you see shot cam 1. So we'll call this animated camera. It would actually be the shot cam because that's the actual animated camera, and then the shot cam will rename as proj cam for projection camera. So we'll go back to our animated camera. You can see there's no animation data yet on it on the time slider. I switched over to that. You can see animated cameras in the viewport. And then basically go to frame 1 and you can set a keyframe. Mine right now is set to 72 frames. You could be 48 frames. You could do 96 frames. But basically you want to think in terms of 24 frames per second. So 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds. How much do you want? Typically a matte painting, you want at least 3 seconds for them to at least notice what's going on in the shot. So let's just do 72 for right now. Go down to animation, and then now it allows you an animate tab. So you go to frame 1, animate, set key. So now you can see a red bar that we have one keyframe at frame 1. You can go all the way down to the last frame, frame 72, and now we can set a key here. Now you can see we have 2 keyframes. No movement yet because we haven't moved the camera. So now basically you can dolly in, and right now you can see nice movement. And now set key, and now go back, scrub back on the time slider, and now you've got animation on your animated camera. Very, very simple, nothing very complex. You can go edit, settings, preferences, under settings, and then make sure that your time is under film 24 frames per second so that your time slider will play correctly. And then, you can mess around with this more, do ease ins, ease outs with the under window, and use the animation editor. But that's a good start.